Asa! Are you gonna go backwards?
You gonna slide down backwards?
I wonder who taught her how to do that.
Is that fun? Is that fun? Watch your head. Bonk. Bonk. Watch your head.
You gonna go down? Sit down. Good girl. She's gonna try the other one.
Try that one?
Go. Ooh, yay! What a big girl.
You have to put your feet down at the bottom. So
She goes, way to spot me, Grandpa. It's okay, Grandma took a movie of it. We'll just show Mama.
The safety net. Oops, bonk.
She goes,
Oops, bonk. You want to go down this one?
she's gonna hold on this
Oh,
time.
you went too slow. Too slow.
Yay!
I just want to slide off and go ball.